In this section, we will discuss Ansible module. Modules are pieces of code that are executed by Ansible on target system to perform specific tasks. Here you can see some of the commonly used example of modules. We will discuss few of them in detail. Yum module is used for managing package like installing, updating and deleting packages on Linux system like RHEL, CentOS and Fedora. Here is a sample playbook in which we are using Yum module to install Apache. Another example is of file module. It is used for managing files and directories on target system. In this example, we have used file module for creating file, changing file permission and for deleting file. To look for a relevant module, we can search on Google Ansible module and can navigate to official Ansible document where we can check in detail regarding available modules and the parameters being used by those modules. We can take reference from these pages to use desirable module as per our requirement.